Page 60, shifting winds. There's nothing new being presented. We're using the stuff we've already had, so let's see what we get. There are some sharps in here. It's a page long, treble bass clef 3/4 time signature. I see quarter notes and dotted half notes and half notes. Okay, and there are some, I said sharps in here, never mind. Right hand, actually both hands are pretty much one hand at a time, so to shorten the video, I'm going to take both hands together, and then I'll talk about the last measure when we get there. So right hand starts here, and puts the hand here. Left hand's here, puts it here, so we're in D position here. And it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, that's an F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that's an F natural there in measure 5. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, get the idea? Okay. Now the last measure here. You have a D in the right hand, and you have an F sharp and an A in the left. You just figure it out one note at a time, and it's together. And you think, boy, those notes together sound kind of nice. Well, if I take this D and put it down here, I mean, it's the same letter name. That's what's important. It's called a chord, and each of these notes are a third apart. Remember, I told you earlier on that our harmony system we use is based on thirds. So a lot of the chords are 2/3 put together. That's all it is. And this is, we're just using a black key because we could do that. I mean, that's chord 2. It's fine. This has an F sharp. It's a little brighter sound to it. And that's all this is. They're doing it here. Because you can rearrange the notes any way you want. As long as it's a D, an F sharp, and an A, I can play them anywhere. I could do the D up here, and the F sharp here, and the A here. It's still the same chord. It doesn't sound as good in that arrangement, but it's still the same chord. And that's all we're doing here. Just lower this down. That's all. This, for the last two measures, you're transferring weight. Here, you're lowering it down. Again, we're doing two different things in the hands at the same time. This is transferring, and this is coming down. Two different motions at the same time. Now, once I have the notes and the rhythms okay, then I go back and get rid of the hesitations. And once there's no hesitations, I add the articulation. This is connected. You lift up between the phrases here. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. So between each of these curved lines, I'm lifting up like taking a breath. The last line, I connect the whole line here. All of that's connected together. Now once I have the articulation in, I have the dynamics. MP to start, mezzo piano sort of soft. And you're staying there until measure 9, you go loud. Now echo that soft. And then measure 13, you're going up moderately, you go up to about a moderately loud, or you just go up a little bit. Here, and stay there. Now come down. Yeah. And then on top of all that mess, that last measure, we want to hear that. Can you play this really light at the same time? Two notes, light. Nothing hard about that, huh? But we want to hear the measure, the melody. That's all. Now once I have the dynamics in, I think about the speed. They say soaring. To me, I do it all by feel anyway. I don't pay any attention to the metronome. What do I feel it? How I feel it right now. With a few cups of coffee or a glass of wine, I might feel it differently. I play by feel. Remember the natural accent? 1, 2, 3. See, in 3/4 time, you only get 1. That's the first beat. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2. Because otherwise, a person might think this is a 4/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Like so, and it isn't. It needs to feel in 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. important to feel it that way. Now there is a note underneath the staff in the first line that a sharp before a note only applies to a measure. I've already explained that too. Hopefully you know about that. I don't know why they didn't explain it sooner. You needed to know sooner. But okay, it's no harm in reviewing. I do a lot of reviewing in these lessons anyway. Let's play this together slowly and make sure you have the correct notes and rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics, just notes and rhythms. So I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2. 2, 3. 2, 3. Off. There's a duet for this at the bottom of the page. I'd like to do that. You play what you just played, but I need you to go up a couple octaves to make it work because the duet is using these notes. So just pretend the middle C instead of here is 2 octaves up. There's 1, 2, and it's up here. So instead of here, you're up here. Play it up here. Play it all up here. I'll give us 3 counts, and I am going to speed this up a little bit. 1, ready, go.